Here I've brought you a very smart math problem that at first glance is very easy to understand, but not so easy to solve. The special thing about it is, you feel like you have too little information about the traffic light, the turtle and the squirrel to figure out the height of the traffic light. But with a few tricks and clever ideas, the whole thing is easily doable. So pause the video, try it out for yourself and see if you can find the solution for how high the traffic light is. And then I'll show you right away how you can figure it out extremely quickly with simple mathematical approaches. And for that, here comes the spoiler. Let's first label the turtle here with an S, the squirrel here with an E, and the thing we actually want to find out, the height of the traffic light, we'll label that with an A. And then we can, in a truly mathematical way, convert picture 1 and picture 2 into equations. Specifically, from Roman numeral 1, we're going to derive that 130 plus the squirrel, so 130 plus E, is the same as the turtle plus the height of the traffic light, so S plus A. From the second equation, we can derive something similar and say, okay, the turtle plus 170 is the same as the traffic light plus the squirrel. So, turtle plus 170 equals traffic light plus squirrel, A plus E. So, and now you have two equations, but unfortunately each one contains 3 unknowns. At first, it doesn't look mathematically solvable. But it's enough for us to find the height of the traffic light, so the A, and we can actually do that. Even though this is a so-called underdetermined system of equations, we can manage it by adding the entire 2 left sides and the entire 2 right sides. Then on the left we have 130 plus E plus S plus 170. So if I calculate 130 and 170, that's ultimately 300 in total plus E plus S. That's on the left side. On the right side we have S plus A and also A and E. So combined, that's S plus 2A plus E. And now we can already see the E is on the left and right, the S is on the left and right, and that means, hey, we can subtract E and S from the left and right so they cancel each other out here. And what's left is 300 on the left, 2A on the right, we divide by 2, and we get 150 equals A. And that was exactly the height of the traffic light that we were looking for. So the height of the traffic light is 150 centimeters, and we have solved the problem here in a very, very nicely structured and logical way for us. For more in this direction, take a look in here, and if you're in the mood for a little IQ test, I recommend the race up above. Have fun with that, and if you like, see you soon.